Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to remove YouTube TV account from TV using phone. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. The first step is to ensure both devices are connected on the same network. So make sure your phone and the TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This enables them to communicate and allows you to control the TV from your phone. The next step is to open the YouTube TV app on your phone. So launch the YouTube TV app on your phone. Ensure that you are signed in to the YouTube account that you want to remove from the TV. The third step is to access the YouTube TV app on your TV. So using your TV's remote or any method available, navigate to the YouTube TV app on your TV and open it. Make sure that the TV is on and properly connected. The fourth step is to cast or connect your phone to the TV. So on the YouTube TV app on your phone, on the YouTube app on your phone, look for the cast icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to initiate the casting process. Select your TV from the list of available devices to connect your phone to the TV. The last step is to disconnect or sign out from the TV. So once your phone is connected to the TV, you should see the YouTube app mirrored on the TV screen. Navigate to the account settings within the YouTube app on the TV and look for options to sign out or disconnect the account. The exact steps may vary depending on the TV's interface and the version of your YouTube TV application. So follow the on-screen instructions or refer to the TV user manual for specific guidance on signing out or removing an account. So this is how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.